Why are you standing so still?
Please come here quickly.
What is wrong? You look pale.
Look at the wall up there. Do you see it?
Oh, I see it. It is a spider.
It is not just a spider. It is huge.
It is a little big. Is that why you are whispering?
Yes, I'm afraid. I feel very scared right now.
Don't worry, it is just sitting there.
But what if it jumps? I almost jumped out of my skin when I saw it.
It was a bad surprise, huh?
A very bad surprise. My heart is beating so fast.
Okay, stay calm. I will take care of it.
Please do not kill it. Just take it away.
I will catch it. I need a cup and a piece of paper.
Here is a plastic cup.
And here is a magazine.
Perfect. Stand back. I am going in.
Be careful.
Got it.
Is it inside? Are you sure?
Yes, it is trapped inside the cup.
Oh, thank goodness. I feel much better now.
I will put it outside in the garden.
Yes, please put it far away from the house.
There, it is gone.
Thank you, Leo. You were very brave.
It was a piece of cake.
I'm happy it is gone. I can finally relax.
Good. Now let's sit down and finish our books.
I agree. No more surprises today, please. Where is it? This is driving me crazy.
Good morning, Mike. What is happening? You look very red.
I am feeling very angry right now. I cannot find my car keys.
That is frustrating. Did you look on the table?
I looked everywhere. I looked under the sofa, in my bag, and in my bedroom.
Okay, please try to calm down.
I cannot be calm. I am late for a meeting. This is a very bad feeling.
Listen to me. When you are angry, your brain does not work well.
You're right, but I'm just so stressed.
Let's try what we learned. Take a deep breath. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I am trying.
Do you feel a little better?
A little bit. I need to keep my cool.
Exactly. Now, retrace your steps. What did you do first this morning?
Well, I came into the kitchen. I was very thirsty.
Okay, you were thirsty. Did you drink water?
No, I grabbed the milk from the refrigerator.
Let's look inside the refrigerator.
Oh my goodness.
What is it? Is there a spider?
No, it is my keys.
They're sitting next to the milk.
That is a funny surprise.
Your keys are cold now.
I cannot believe I did that. I feel silly, but I am so relieved.
I am happy for you. No more stress.
No more stress. Thank you for helping me, Julie. You are a lifesaver.
You are welcome. Now drive safe. Hi, Kevin. You are looking at that page very hard.
Hi, Nora. Yes, I am reading, but I am not learning.
What is the problem? Is the book boring?
No, it is not boring. It is just very hard. I feel confused.
I know that feeling. Sometimes textbooks are difficult to read.
Exactly. I read the words, but I do not understand the meaning.
So you feel stuck.
Yes, completely stuck. And I feel worried too.
Why are you worried?
The big test is tomorrow morning. If I am confused now, I will fail.
Listen to me. Being worried is normal. It shows you care about your grade.
I do care, but right now my brain does not work.
You are stressed. When you are stressed, your brain shuts down.
That is true. I cannot think clearly.
What can I do?
First, close the book.
Close it, but I need to study.
Just for 1 minute. Trust me.
Okay, closes the book. Now take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders.
That feels a little better.
Now let's make a list.
A list?
Yes, write down the 3 most important things to learn today.
Only 3? That sounds easy.
It helps you feel organized. Do not look at the whole book. Just look at 3 things.
That is a smart idea. It makes the work feel smaller.
Exactly. We can review those 3 things together.
You will help me?
Of course, we can hit the books together.
Thank you, Nora. You are a real lifesaver.
No problem. Now, are you ready to start?
Yes, I feel much more relaxed now. Let's do it.
Hi, Tom. Here is your coffee. Is this seat free?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, please sit down. Thank you for the coffee.
You are welcome. How are you doing today? You look a little quiet.
To be honest, I'm not feeling very good.
Oh no, are you sick? Do you feel tired?
No, I'm not sick. I feel very nervous.
Why are you nervous? Is something wrong?
I have a big job interview in 1 hour. It's for the manager position.
Oh, I see. That is a big event. It is normal to feel scared.
Yes, I'm worried. My hands are cold and my heart is beating very fast.
You have butterflies in your stomach, right?
Yes, exactly. Giant butterflies. I'm afraid I will make a mistake.
Listen to me. Being nervous is okay. It just means this job is important to you.
That is true. I really want to work there.
So, are you excited too?
Yes, I am looking forward to the new challenge, so I am happy and scared at the same time.
That is a good mix. Try to focus on the excited feeling.
I am trying, but my brain is very busy.
Let's try to relax. Take a deep breath. Count to 10 with me.
Okay. 1, 2, 9, 10.
How do you feel now?
I feel a little more calm. Breathing helps.
You are smart and you work hard. You will be great.
Thank you, Sarah. Talking to a friend makes me feel better.
I am happy to help. Now, drink your coffee and go get that job.
I am ready. Wish me luck.
Fingers crossed. You can do it.
I really do not like this weather.
I know. It has been raining for 3 days.
I feel very bored today. There's nothing to do.
Do you want to watch a movie?
No, I watched a movie last night. I want to do something active.
Well, we cannot go to the park. It is too wet.
Exactly. So I'm just sitting here. I feel like I'm wasting my day.
I have an idea. It is not very fun, but it is useful.
What is it? I will do anything to kill time.
Let's clean the apartment. The kitchen is a little messy.
Cleaning? That does not sound exciting.
I know, but remember, a clean space makes a happy mind.
That is true. I always feel relaxed when the house is clean.
We can turn on some loud music. It will make us feel energetic.
Okay, you convinced me. I have a lot of energy right now anyway.
Great. You wash the dishes and I'll clean the floor.
Deal. But I have one condition.
What is your condition?
After we finish, can we order a large pizza?
Of course. Pizza always makes me happy.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to the pizza already.
Me too. But first, we must work.
Okay, I am ready. Let's make this place neat and span.
That's the spirit. Let's go.
Hi, Susan. Is this seat free?
Hi, Mark. Yes, please sit down.
You look very quiet today. Is everything okay?
I am fine. Well, actually, I feel a little sad.
Oh no. Why do you feel sad?
I am looking at pictures of my family. I really miss them.
I see. You feel lonely, right?
Yes, they live in California and I am here. It feels very far away.
That is a difficult feeling. I am sorry you are sad.
Thank you. I want to visit them, but I have too much work this week.
I understand. I feel sad when I cannot see my brother too.
Really? What do you do when you feel lonely?
I usually call him. Hearing his voice helps me.
I called my mother yesterday, but I still feel down in the dumps.
I understand. Sometimes you need a distraction. Are you hungry?
I am a little hungry. I did not eat lunch yet.
Well, good food can make us feel happy. Do you like donuts?
I love donuts. They are my favorite sweet treat.
Great. Someone brought a big box of donuts to the office this morning.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes, they're on the counter over there. Let's go get one.
That is a nice idea. You are very kind, Mark.
I do not like to see my friends sad. I want to cheer you up.
It is working. I feel a little better already.
Good. We can eat donuts and you can show me your photos.
I would like that. My sister is very funny in this picture.
See? Talking is good for the heart.
You are right. Thank you for listening to me.
Anytime. Come on, let's grab a bite.
Okay, I'm ready for a chocolate one.
This is taking forever.
Relax, Jason. We are moving slowly, but we are moving.
I cannot relax. I feel very impatient right now.
I know you do not like to wait.
It is a waste of time. Look, there are 5 people in front of us.
It's 5 p.m. The store is always busy at this time.
I feel stressed. I just want to go home and sit down.
Getting angry does not help the line move faster.
I know, but I'm also very hungry.
Ah, that is the problem. You are hangry.
Hungry and angry.
Yes, when I'm very hungry, I cannot think clearly. My brain stops working.
Well, look on the bright side. We have a lot of food in the basket.
That is true. I am looking forward to dinner.
Me too. Cooking that steak will make you feel happy again.
I'm excited about the steak, but I'm still confused. Why is the cashier so slow?
Maybe she's new. We should be patient with her.
You are always so calm. How do you do it?
I just take a deep breath. Being impatient feels bad in my body.
You are right. My shoulders feel tight.
So let's talk. Talking passes the time.
Okay, tell me something good.
Well, I felt proud of my project at work today. My boss liked it.
That is great news. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. See, now you are smiling a little bit.
Oh, look, the line is moving.
Okay, hold your horses. Do not push the cart too fast.
Sorry, I'm just ready to leave.
We're next. Get your wallet ready.
Finally. Thank you for keeping me calm, Chloe.
Anytime. Now let's go make dinner.
Hey, James, the game is over.
Yes, it is over. Please do not ask me about the score.
Oh dear, did your team lose again?
Yes, they lost by 10 points. It was terrible.
I am sorry. You look very unhappy.
I feel very disappointed. I waited all week for this game.
That is a big disappointment. You really wanted them to win.
I did. They played badly. Now I feel sad and a little grumpy.
I did. They played badly. Now I feel sad and a little grumpy.
I know, but now my Saturday is ruined.
Come on, James. It is not the end of the world.
It feels like it right now. I just want to sit here.
I don't like to see you sad. I want to cheer you up.
I don't think you can.
Oh, really? Look at me, James.
Stop it.
Why am I a little funny?
Okay, yes, you look very silly.
See, you are laughing.
I am. That was funny. I feel amused now.
I am happy when I can make you laugh.
Thank you. I needed a good laugh.
Do you feel a little better?
Yes, the disappointment is gone.
Good. We should not let a football game ruin our day.
You are right. There is always the next game.
Exactly. Now, do you want some popcorn?
Yes, please, and maybe we can watch a comedy movie.
That sounds like a plan. Let's have a ball.
Great idea. You pick the movie.
Hi, Ben. Are you okay? You are sitting on the floor.
Hi, Lisa. I am just resting for a minute.
You look very tired.
I am more than tired. I'm exhausted.
Is it because of the move? I saw you earlier.
Yes, I carried heavy boxes all day long.
Did you use the elevator?
No, the elevator is broken. I used the stairs.
Oh my goodness, that is very hard work.
It was. I ran out of steam an hour ago. My arms feel so heavy.
I believe you. Moving is difficult work. But look, the hallway is empty now.
Yes, you moved everything inside. How does that feel?
To be honest, I feel proud.
Proud is a wonderful feeling. Why do you feel proud?
Because I did it all by myself. It was a big job.
You should be proud. It is a big accomplishment.
Thank you. But now I am very thirsty.
Do you have water in your new apartment?
No, I cannot find my cups. They're inside a box somewhere.
Well, I can help you. I have cold lemonade.
Really? That sounds delicious right now.
Yes, wait here. I will bring you a big glass.
Thank you, Ben. You are very kind.
It is my pleasure. Neighbors help neighbors.
After the lemonade, I'm going to sleep immediately.
That is a good plan. It is time to call it a day.
I agree. Good night, Ben.
Good night, Lisa. Sleep well.
Good morning, Emma. You made it.
Hi, Ryan. Yes, I am here.
You look a little sleepy today.
I am very tired. I want to be back in my warm bed.
But look at the sun. It is a beautiful morning.
It is too early for me. You have too much energy.
I feel very energetic today. I slept for 8 hours.
Lucky you. I did not sleep enough. My eyes feel heavy.
Why are you so tired? Did you work late?
No, I watched a movie and I went to bed very late.
Ah, I see. Well, exercise is the best medicine for being tired.
I don't know. My legs feel heavy too. I feel exhausted.
Trust me, after we run, you will feel energetic.
I feel like I cannot run 1 mile.
We will start slowly, just a fast walk first.
Okay, a walk sounds better.
Breathe in the fresh air. It wakes up your brain.
The air is nice and cool. It feels good.
See, you are waking up already. You look fresh as a daisy.
I don't feel like a daisy yet, but I am awake.
That is the spirit. We can run to the coffee shop.
Coffee? Now I'm interested.
I knew that would help. I'm looking forward to a hot coffee too.
Okay, if there's coffee at the end, I can run.
Great. Are you ready to start?
Yes, let's do it before I fall asleep again.
Excellent. Let's hit the road.
But slowly, please.
No problem. We will go at your speed.
Thank you, Ryan. Let's go.